We have Dr. Roshni ma'am, Director of Avidas Academy of Management. Hello ma'am.
Hi.
We are having certain questions to ask to her and we can proceed with that. What would you like to say to the younger generations now?
Yes, Pradesha. My simple tip of advice to the younger generation is to have more patience and perseverance to succeed in the life. And also, your hard work will definitely win. And to get the result, you need to have a patience.
Yes, ma'am. And what do you think about the women empowerment nowadays?
Women empowerment, I think for the last 2 decades, is not something very new as it used to be earlier. For example, you take me, I'm an entrepreneur for the last 12 years. So when we were all kids, by the time a woman being an entrepreneur is something big one, and even some cases it's a nightmare.
Yes, ma'am. And to be in a director position is not so easy. How did you tackle this?
100 percentage it is because of the support that you get from your family. One. Second, it's as I have already told you, it is your perseverance. Rome is not built in a day. Uh, Success doesn't knock your door immediately, and you don't get succeeded immediately.
So, did you like to be a business person or more into a teaching profession?
Initially, I started my career as a professor. So by those time, I love teaching a lot, and even right now, I love to teach a lot, and I love to be a part of the student community to be along with them. And after one point of time, with my experience of almost close to 2 decades, I'm having an experience right now. So I thought at one point of time, I have to pass this experience and also have to be a mentor to this younger generation. So I love both to be an entrepreneur and also as a teacher.
Yes, ma'am. And how was this idea about Avides striked into you?
Um, it was like a good lot of young people in 2010. We had an idea to start the B School. So this Evidence Academy of Management is being managed by SPAT Trust, all from young entrepreneurs and NRI trustees. And the main motto of our business school is that education should be possible even for the middle class people. And also we started the idea of internships with placements for a duration of 10 months during the MBA program. So this enables the students to pay their second year fees by themselves.
That was really very great, ma'am. And nowadays, education is moving out more in a business way rather than in a passionately way. So, what do you think about that, ma'am?
I strongly believe that education should not be commercial. At the same time, it cannot be charity also. So there should be a kind of a mix of both of it. And we have so many business in which we can mint money, but not with the students.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for your time and patience towards this interview. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you, Pradisha. Okay.
Stay tuned, guys. We have Mr. Alex Melvin, Head HR of Avides Academy of Management with us. Hello, sir. Have come up with three different club activities or the club teams: Technocrat, Digital Marketing, and the Enviro Club. And how was this idea strike to you, sir?
Actually, the first basic idea behind the clubs would be to incorporate the real-time work for students, basically to understand when they go to a corporate environment how each and every functionalities work, and that was the behind idea of it. And another idea would be that if you are doing an MBA program, the first aspect that people look out for is the entrepreneurial spirit that students have. So when you are as a part of a club, I think a club is like an organization for me. It is a kind of a decentralized way we are doing. So when we decided the clubs, we decided on the designations as well. We created a hierarchical system for people. So which means it's not like individual team members, but every member is assigned a kind of designation, a role, a responsibility is being given, and whatever functionalities they are doing, it has its own structure, it has its own process, procedures, and all that. So as a student, I think they will try to come out of their comfort zone, and they have to really understand and equip it in the way of how the world works and how basic technology works and all that. So this will be the first set of clubs that AM in the first year we are incorporating, and probably on the second year we might have more of a domain-based club, which I think which is more needed for them to become a domain expert. I think that is the main intention why this idea came up, and the implementation is going on very successfully with this. And this entire theme and again is again planned by the clubs. So every club is actually working on this behind on making this, and the coming parts, whatever things that this channel is going to have, I think will have more of clubs being incorporating as not individual student but as a club they are contributing to it actually. That's what I
Yes, that was great, sir. And what do you think about this club activities going to be like? What is your more expectation on this club activity?
So actually the expectations are very minimal to be very specific on this, so not pressurize more on the students' perspective, because some of them are really having good expertise. They might be a core expert in any one domain actually. But the idea would be for me initially when I planned this, I was little open because I think we wanted to create something for the coming batches to continue and pursue it. And I want whatever we are doing it right now, I think it will become a template over a period of time where this is an event and this is how they have to do it. And I think we will also set example to many corporates on various virtual events or any ER events they're doing. I think with this a team with a team of naive members who are not having any experience, I think if we're able to achieve this, I think then the company can do better things. I think so. That is the example that I would like to set. So my club comparison is always with the organizations which we do it actually. That's what I do.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you so much for your time, sir. Thank you. Previously, we had interview with our Roshni ma'am and Alex sir, and now it's time for us to meet our club members and regarding the digital marketing, Technocrat, and the Enviro Club. Come on, let's meet our club members.
We are from Digital Marketing Club. Nowadays, everything is depends upon digital marketing. It makes the marketing process easier. In our club, we consist 6 members. I am President Anbu Kumar.
I'm Treasurer Karishma Rao. I'm Event Coordinator Dansha.
I am event organizer Sairam.
I'm Bookkeeper Sharani.
I am on-duty Parish.
Hi all, this is Sairam, event organizer of Digital Marketing Club. We conducted virtual event on Zoom, which is our initial event. It was succeed. Our upcoming events are Learn with Lean and product launching. Our club bring awareness with fun in a way of learning because we are living in digital world.
Hi all, we are from Technocrat Club. Technocrat Club main intention is to cultivate technology. Today's world and the future is moving towards the technology and the advancement. It's important for every individual to know what technology are they using, what are its benefits and its advantages. I am President Joshua.
I am Bookkeeper Aparna. I am Srinidhi, Event Coordinator.
I am event organizer Sandhya.
I am Treasurer Lokesh.
Hi all, this is Sandhya, event organizer of Technocrat Club. We have already done a virtual event through Zoom. It was our first event, and we tried to teach technological words in a funny way. We have conducted many events, and we also issued certificate of excellence as well as certificate of participation to the participants. And our next event is Learn with Lean. We are going to teach about virtual mission. Thank you.
Hello guys, this is Arun Kumar, and we are representing the Enviro Club as a part of the Address Academy of Management, and ensure that apart from the digital world and the technological world, we are also concerned with the environment and its issues. It is time for introducing our team members. This is Ms. Pavitra, bookkeeper, and Mr. Vijay, our treasurer. Over to Pratisha.
This is me, Pratisha, event organizer of Enviro Club, and we had previously the virtual event, and the virtual event was all about the farmers' issue that took place and are currently going on. And it was not only about the issue. The participants were given a few question and answer, and also the case studies were performed by the participants, and it was equally awarded. And the later part, we were asked the participants to do the Google Forms, and we issued the e-certificates to the participants. And now this is the end of the Enviro Club, and we are expected that all other club members are doing their initiative in the other events. The forthcoming events will be posted in the YouTube, so stay tuned guys. Until then, bye bye from Pratisha Krishna.